This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to check for updates on Firefox. So you see right here, I'm on the main page of Firefox, and it's nice purple background right here. All you need to do, very, very simple, come up to the top, click on Firefox, so to the left of File. You click About Firefox, and just like that, this will pop up, and you'll see right there, we'll start to search for updates, and if there is an update, you will click there to install the update. This is saying right now that Firefox is up to date. I'll show you that again. We just come up to Firefox, we click on About Firefox, you see checking for updates right there. My Firefox is currently up to date, so nothing to update. If you have an update, you'll just click there and it will instantly install the update, and you'll need to restart the browser for that update even to take place. So hopefully you have found this video on how to update Firefox useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.